Hey there! Ready to get started with Oboda? Here's how to edit a purchase order. Wala sa list ng purchase orders, piliin ang order na may status na pending to edit. Take note, only purchase orders na walang receivings ang pwedeng i-edit. But if an order ay mayroon ng partial or completed receivings, pwede mo na lamang i-edit or i-update ang item quantities. Ang order status ay kusang mag-update to completed if the delivery status is marked as completed and the payment status is paid. Pwede mo ring i-cancel ang order, pero may specific conditions lamang kung kailan ito allowed. First, kapag ang status ay pending or no payments and no receivings. Second, kapag ang status ay paid, pero walang receivings. Third, kapag ang status ay delivered, pero walang payment, at lahat ng receivings ay na-return. And fourth, paid and delivered status, pero lahat ng receivings ay na-return. You can also lock an order. Kapag nag-lock ka ng order, kailangan mong i-check ang mga confirmation boxes. First, you confirm that this order is final and cannot be changed after locking. Second is optional. Adjust quantities to match received quantities. Kapag naka-check ito, kusa na mag-a-adjust ng order quantity based sa bilang ng units na na-received. Example, kung ang order ay para sa 12 boxes, pero 6 boxes lang ang na-receive, babawasan ng order quantity at magiging 6 boxes or 30 units na lang ang order after malock. You can also delete an order, pero only if the status is pending. Thanks for watching! On to the next one!